Greensleeves Care is a national care provider for older people. We currently run 20 homes around England, and we are growing. We've grown over the last 3 years, and we're on course to double our charitable impact by the end of next year. The money we have raised we will use to improve the quality of care we deliver to our existing residents in our homes. It will also allow us to expand our social impact and redevelop existing homes and acquire new homes. It is very much about supporting the growing number of older people within the British population. We have a long-term commitment to growing the organisation, and for us it just made a great deal of sense to rationalise that, and rather than each time we saw an acquisition and having to go off and do a beauty parade with individual banks, this was just a really long-term solution. We also like the certainty provided with 4.25% over 9 years, which was more competitive than our current average cost of borrowing. And also there is no security over our assets required, and that just returns control of the charity's assets to the board.
So we were seeing a range of investors come into the deal. We had SRI investors or specialist SRI funds. We had conventional funds such as pension funds, wealth managers, and of course the issue was well supported by retail investors.
Well, this issue of the retail charity bond has raised £33 million, and in total there will be £50 million available to be drawn down. So that's the largest retail bond that we've done so far, and it's a huge testimony not only to Allia's vision in setting up this platform, but in the market's vision in backing us to this extent.
Well, what they like about the Retail Charity Bonds project is firstly a good rate of return from that coupon. But secondly, it's a method of putting your money to work with a charity of your choice and where you know it's going to have the impact.
We've now raised £91 million through the Retail Charity Bond platform. We think we will be issuing £100 million per annum. That was our target when we set the platform up, and in fact it's likely that we will be doing rather more than that, perhaps £120 million a year. I think if we can get to £500 million of issuance by the time of 2020 or before, then we will have gone a long way to proving that this platform has a place in funding civil society and social inclusion.